Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐿 with eXp Realty, your local Birmingham real estate agent. Today I've got another great one here in Mount Brook. This is the crestline part of Mount Brook. It's a 6-bedroom, 5-bath, little over 6,000 square feet, and it is beautiful. It's a brand new build, just finished. In fact, they're still finishing up a couple of things. I just got done walking through it, and it's great. There's a couple things about this one that makes it one of my favorite new builds I've been in. From the living room that we'll go into in a second, with the beams, all the natural light, the beautiful kitchen that I'm standing in right now, it's fantastic. Again, if you're looking at Mount Brook, looking for something nice, new, I think this might be it. As always, if you haven't already, go and hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss another episode. Let's get into it. All right, walking in the front door. All the bedrooms are upstairs, master's through there, kitchen obviously. Nice kitchen. Another cool thing, you've heard me say before, with a 2-year-old that loves to eat, huge pantry, always a plus. With the microwave in here, always like that addition. The built-ins, it's very pretty. But I think this living room with the beams might be one of my favorite I've seen. So they've got it set up with your dining room table that would be going right here. But the windows, the beams, I think this is one of my favorites so far. They've got a little half bath right here. And then into the master. Closet, big soaker tub, and shower. All right, going upstairs now, you've got a little bonus spot, maybe like a reading nook or some kind of storage thing. It's not very big, so maybe something like that. You've got bedrooms this way and bedrooms this way. They all have a bathroom attached to them as well. I always love when rooms have a little bit of weird shaped ceilings. Bedroom shares a Jack and Jill with the neighboring bedroom. If you have any questions about the house, Mount Brook, or any surrounding areas, I'd love to help. You use the link below to schedule a call, or you can shoot me a text. I'd love to help. Again, 𝐂𝐿, eXp Realty. Have a great day.